In this video, we'll be showing you how to set up your Stripe account and linking it to your PTA Events website. In order to complete this process, you will need a mobile phone for verification purposes, your main email address for your organisation and full access to it, your organisation's bank details and VAT number if registered, and your PTA Events website address. If you do not have all this information to hand, please now pause the video until you're ready to proceed. If you have everything available, then let's get started. First, log in as an administrator. Then from the main navigation, head to Admin, Settings, and click on the Payments tab. Stripe takes payment from your customers, which will enable them to purchase your tickets and products. As it is Stripe's payment pages, it is their scripts that detect which wallets, so Apple and Google Pay, are available to be used, and only these will be shown at checkout. Customers can also use credit, debit card and link. The Stripe account type should be left as business for now. This can be amended to charity once Stripe have confirmed your charity status. Then click on the blue Connect with Stripe button. If you already have a Stripe account, you can log in at the next screen. Please read all of the information shown carefully. When you are ready to proceed, click the Continue button. Please note, although the Stripe setup pages say PTA Events, you can still set up your Stripe account this way for Clubs Hub and Charity Hub. Enter your organisation's main email address into the email field. We would not recommend putting your personal email address, as if you leave the organisation, they won't be able to access the Stripe account. If your organisation already has a Stripe account, use the corresponding email address here. Then click on the Submit button. Choose a new password or enter your existing one into the field provided, and then click on the Submit button. Enter your mobile number, click on the Send Text button, and then wait for the verification code. Enter the code into the field provided. You will be informed that the account is secure and be provided with an emergency backup code. Once you have saved the code and stored it somewhere safe, please click on the Next button. Select your business location from the drop-down list and choose your type of business. If you are a registered charity, select Non-Profit and you will need to upload your charity commission document. If you are a business, then select Company and you'll need to upload your Company's House document or Certificate of Incorporation. If you are a non-profit and not a registered charity, then select Individual/Sole Trader and you'll need to upload personal verification documents. Then click on the Continue button to proceed. You can now input your personal details. Please complete the fields and click on the Submit button. If you do not have your VAT number to hand, don't worry, this can be entered later. If you do not have a VAT number, please leave this field blank. We recommend that you keep the website URL that we have provided for you, as it contains a link that enables Stripe to see and validate your site. You can write information about what your organisation does in the free text product description field. Then click on the Continue button. Please now enter your organisation's bank details. Select the currency you'll be using and the country your bank account is set up in. Then enter the sort code, account number, confirm the account number and click on the Continue button. The statement descriptor is the information that appears on your customer's bank statements, invoices and receipts. We have already set this up for you, but if you would like, you can enter your organisation's full website URL here. In the shortened descriptor box, input the name of your organisation. The next screen relates to a contribution to support Stripe Climate, which is an optional step for you to decide with your organisation whether you would like to donate. If you do not wish to donate, you can skip this section by clicking on the No Thanks button. Next, you can review all of the information you have provided and check that it is correct. You can now connect your Stripe account to your organisation's website. Click the blue Connect with Stripe button and then click Continue to set up Stripe. Select which account you would like to connect with Stripe and then click on the Connect button. The box will now be shown with a tick, which confirms you are now connected. And that's it, you have now successfully set up your Stripe account and connected it to your PTA Events website. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.